Special weather report.
Good afternoon. Breaking news now. Mayor de Blasio letting the city know preparations for the heavy snow and blizzard. Let's listen.
Indications worse, and people have to be ready. We want to put safety first in all we do, and that comes down to the decisions of everyday New Yorkers. People have to make smart decisions from this point on, careful decisions, recognize this as an emergency.
So our neighbor Steph gave us a key to her apartment in case she got locked out, where the good neighbors can come rescue her, let her back in. It's a snow day today. She's working from home, so we are gonna go ambush her in her apartment and throw snowballs at her. That was it. See you later, kid. Oh!